everybody, I'm here for a quick little video. I did something today. I had a little bit of free time in between orders, and I decided to pull out some of the things from my Cocoa Daisy August kit, and I decided I wanted to set up this little guy. This is one of those clear kind of, I guess it's some sort of a vinyl, polyvinyl 6-ring binder, and sort of the Filofax sort of style. And I have this out because this is my passport wallet that I've been using, which I've got 4 inserts, a folder, and a leather wallet insert in there. It's beautiful. I just got this last week. I've had it a week. From, it's right there, Leather Imagined, from Candace there. This is my new lovely little wallet, but I had some stuff in the Cocoa Daisy kit, and I wasn't going to be using the kit this month, so I decided let's try something with it and experiment. And I always get, the washi that comes in the kit, and then I order the 3, like the complete set of just the washi subscription, and I like this washi so much, this one, that I've already gone through one of the rolls. So I love this. They've had washi like this before that's kind of like watercolor, like a paint swatch book, and they've had that before, and I've used them up very quickly. And we had one just a few months ago that was a beautiful, but it had purples and stuff in it. So anyways, let me kind of move some of the stuff. I got some of the die cuts. I'm gonna make a like a page marker, and I've got some of the stickers that I'm gonna do some fun things with, and I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the stamps, if I'm gonna do anything or not. I'm probably not gonna use the paper clips because they're really cute, but when you look at how big they are in comparison to this little itty bitty planner, I mean, they're huge. I think they're probably much better on a personal size notebook or a A5 because of the substantial size of them. So and I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this cute charm yet. I have a whole stack of these that I use briefly, and then I set them aside, so I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet this month. The cute Post-its, and here's the lovely tab of paper with the T. And of course, it has to come with a matching gel pen. And I didn't show this the last time, but let's see. It's a gel pen. Cocoa Daisy. August 2018. That's actually a really nice pen. Oh, that's why it was a little loose. So, let's take a quick look, because someone wanted to see what I did inside here. And this is the first, I mean, I have a Filofax, which I just set up tonight for the husband for work because he started a new job this week. So it's a clear one, so you can see through it. So that's why I wanted to have, to use some of the paper on the front and the back. So let me bend that down. And the rings on this, for being just a $6 little notebook, I have a personal size one as well. I took a lot of the stuff out of here and put it in my Filofax for the husband. So this is one of the papers that came with the kit, and I made it like a tab. And these were all of the inserts you'll see in here, and even just the template for the tab came from Peanuts Planner Co. from the Facebook group. They were all free downloads, and that's wonderful because I've never really tried this size, and so I didn't want to go and spend a lot of money on printed inserts or anything. Now it's a good thing that I did have, you know, what is this, a Rapesco 6-hole hole punch, so it helped. So there's the first little divider, and then it was the whole entire year dated for 2018 was one of the free downloads. And so here we are in August. Now this is a little bit smaller than my monthly calendar because she has that 6th line down there. If you look, the passport and the pocket are almost exactly the same size. The only thing is the pocket is a little less wide. It's a little bit narrower because you have to have room for the rings. And so what I do is I only have 5, let me get to a month, yeah. So like here's September, I only have 5 weeks. And then when, you know, you come to the end of the month and the last day or two are on the Monday or Tuesday, I put them at the top instead of either having a half box or trying to make these even smaller. So that's the one thing about these, is the boxes are incredibly tiny, even tinier than mine. So there's August, and I filled out the dates that I knew for the end of the year, and like I marked birthdays. And that's only some of the stuff. That's only symphony schedule and only one of the universities. I don't have the other university thrown in there. And then I took another one of the papers and made another divider. And then this is her week on 2 pages, where you have a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And these were all Monday start. She also offers a Sunday start, and this was free. I know it's her old design and she's got, you know, newer ones that are fancier, but, you know, for me, someone that's never tried something like this, it was really nice to see, you know, how easy her inserts were to print, how easy they were to cut. And then I used my Cocoa Daisy stickers and started to plan the month in here just to kind of see what it will be like. And then I think I've got 2 months worth in here. So more of those. And then this is one of my favorite dashboards, and I tried to get as much of the teacup as possible, because if I turned it this way, you'd lose some of the flower or the teacup. So there's the teacup, and on the back is this beautiful white with black polka dots. And these are the dailies, and again, these were free. It's just a blank to fill in the date. You've got your time here. Sorry, these are tiny, my hands are so big. You know, for your appointments or for tracking, and then you can, you know, put here some to-dos that you have to do, or notes about, excuse me, or notes about any of your meetings or tasks that you have to do. So I've got quite a few of those. Then I have another one of the papers as another divider, and you'll notice that it's the same paper that we had here. So here's the water blobs, and then the print, and then I decided to have the print and then the water blobs, and then I printed this grid, and again the grid was free in the Facebook group, so I printed a bunch of that. And then this is something that I did with the scraps from my dividers that I made. So what I have here is kind of a folder of sorts. See, I have let me grab a flower. I've got a pocket here, see? And when you open up, this doesn't have a pocket, but I've got some Post-it notes stuck there. You've got another pocket here. And then you flip this side, you've got another pocket. And you'll see that the pocket heights are 3 slightly different pocket heights. So there's the top of one, a little bit taller, and then even taller. So you can stick your stuff in there. And then I decided to take some of the sheets, because it's just a smidge taller, and put them in the back. And then I have one thing, this is the same paper that I used in the front, just a different corner. This is the top left corner, this is the bottom right corner. So there you go. You see my first setup ever of a pocket ring notebook, and I think it is incredibly cute. It's making me want to get a leather file effects. I'm not going to, because I don't know if I'm going to use it. One thing I do have to say is, one thing that's really nice with a traveler's notebook insert is you fold all the pages in half, staple them, bind them, staple them together, and then cut them. And like, what I make is 1, 2, 3. 3 cuts. That's it. It was kind of tedious with these, because you have to make the way the page prints 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cuts for, you know, for 4 pages, the way she has it lined up on the board, on the page. And that's wonderful, because there's very little waste for such a small size. It was just, it's a lot of work. So there you go. I just wanted to show you a quick little look in what was my project for the day. Thursday was my day off this week, so I decided to do some fun stuff with my Cocoa Daisy kit and play with the washi. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will link Peanuts Planner Co. for the Facebook group and for her webpage. She has so many more designs of inserts for rings. I don't think she has TN designs yet, but she does have ring designs. So there you are. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.